All right, today we're going to bring 4 pairs of Snuggle socks. Now these socks are thick material. They're like knitted material. They're great for indoors if you're going to walk with no sandals. They kind of remind me of the old booties from the actual hospitals. If you ever get admitted in hospitals, they make you wear something similar to this. These are very comfortable. They come in different colors. One size fits all pretty much. You can wear them indoors, outdoors, or just sleep with them. Keep your feet warm at night. Very comfortable. Stretchy material, so you can stretch these out. Beautiful, well made. Love the different types of colors they have. Makes a great gift for men and women. I hope you guys enjoy the video.